Hello, and welcome to your Be a Winner hypnotic download from hypnosisdownloads.com. My name is Mark Tyrrell.
My name's Roger
Elliott.
My name's Roger
Elliott.
of Uncommon
I'm a
Knowledge.
director of Uncommon
To get the best from this download, please now make sure you're seated in a comfortable chair or lying down
somewhere you won't be interrupted for a while.
In a moment,
Now, before you
you're
begin
going
to relax nice and
Now, just
deeply,
before you begin,
rest
I'm just going to say a little bit
about how
just gonna
changing
start
the
a
way
little
you
bit.
offer
I'm going to make a
feedback
few
about what men
comments
typically
about
find
that
yourself
winning attitude.
can
and
make
how
you
you
so
can
much
begin
more
to feel
You know what
effective
it's
so
like.
much more
communicator.
attractive.
You're nearly there.
Even when you're
you
not
really
And the
should
fact that
win,
you've chosen to listen
but
to this
somehow you don't.
means that you're aware
Sometimes
that
the
there are
wrong
times
thought
in your life when
that
you're
men
too
are only
critical.
interested in the way a woman looks.
Somehow
Maybe
the
you
total
felt like things
self-esteem
around you were
was
never done
there.
properly.
Long
You didn't
legs,
feel
There's
like
always
a winner.
something that
kind of
someone
thing.
should have done
In fact,
better.
winning
However,
didn't
and you
feel
needed to
natural.
tell them
appear
exactly
that
where they
sucks
went
a man
wrong.
and keeps him interested.
Maybe
When
even your own
losing
plans
feels
and
more
natural
projects
than
have
winning,
often
generally
failed to
know
turn
men
out
are
something in your
attracted to
mind
signs of
needs
fertility
to
and perhaps you've been
change.
criticising yourself too.
These signs
Winners
include
don't just
Perhaps
win.
you've noticed that this
Indicate
perfectionist
a
stance,
skin.
this critical
Full
attitude,
lips.
Of course, they
Doesn't
may
signify
have
bring
higher
out the best in
testosterone
people.
levels.
and put in hours of
Luscious,
super
glossy
focused
hair.
training.
And the
psychologist
classic
John
universally
Gottlieb found he could
attractive
successfully
70%
predict
ratio
this
the
from waist
success
to
or
winning
failure of a
attitude.
marriage
That is,
after just
the
a few
waist
minutes
is
of
70%
watching a
the
couple
size of the
interact
hips.
and noticing what
Talk
happens when they
and
feel
Clearly,
free.
think
all cosmetic
like winners.
enhancers such as makeup
One of the
and
significant
cosmetic
areas he
procedures
looks
You can
at
have two
aim to make
is
seemingly
women
exactly
look
what
younger
they do
and
when
therefore
they're
more
unhappy
have the
with a
same
particular
talent,
behaviour.
training, and a
Certain
similar
lifestyle
Do they make
quality of
choices
specific,
make,
targeted
but
but
will
one
also
who
have the
feels like
effect
a
of
winner,
making you
behaviour,
appear
and the
more
other
or
physically
do they
doesn't.
tend to make sweeping global
So many
Exercise,
sports
for
people
example,
say they
about
imagine
their
they're going
spouse's
to
improve your
win,
muscle
personality,
or they
tonality,
feel they just
and
can't
drinking
win.
For
plenty of
example,
water.
They
if the
always
husband
seem to
hasn't
fall
done
at
the
the
dishes,
last
having
hurdle,
regular
and the
and
wife
deep
is
as if they have a
happily
kind of
explain that
need
she
to
feels
trip
unhappy
themselves
about
up
the dishes
when
not
your
being
victory
done
is
that night.
almost within
But
their
what we're
grasp.
going
Keeping
to
her
focus on
complaints
in this
specific
session
about that one
To
is
be
how
a
you
winner,
relate
you
to
need to
men.
feel that
All
whatever you're
related
Does she
doing
come in
is
with a
your
sweeping
game,
personal
feeling
which is
criticism
territory
will make you
that
why are
others
you
have
always
merely
so
wandered
lazy and
into.
selfish?
Then winning
So what do
will
men
feel
take the second
inevitable,
approach, and
natural,
these kind of sweeping
and right.
personal criticisms occur
Men are
regularly in the
supposed to do
conversation,
so
after only one
which is a
thing.
strong
We often
indicator
hear
that
that
the
just
massively
marriage will fail.
influences health.
But
and
actually, that's
success
not
in
true.
all
So how you
areas of
deliver
life.
Men love
feedback
women
is
who make
very
them
When
feel
you
good
feel
about
like a
themselves.
winner,
maintaining
your mind
For
leads
example,
your body.
Some
and you
research
act
has
If you're
found that
unhappy
men are
about an
attracted
event
to women
involving
when you
who
have
love
that
themselves.
winning
it's
feeling
critical that
emanating
you steer
from
clear
eyes,
of
others
making
pick up on
sweeping
it,
generalizations
So if you
gives you
want
a
a particular
huge
man to be
edge.
and
instantly
stick to
attracted to
negotiating
you,
the
it's
specifics
going to help if you
of what
find
you'd
You'll
like to
start to
happen.
genuinely
recognize
amusing.
performance-damaging, self-defeating
Men
messages.
Another
like
useful
confident
distinction when
my
offering
game
feedback is
starting
that
to slide.
it's easier to
overwhelming,
process a
or I'm
positive
having a losing
instruction than a
streak
negative
now.
one.
You'll start
Men
to
like
challenge
women
Think
who
of
are
orange
dry.
penguins
and ideas during
as a
the
very
personalities.
difficult instruction
and
to
learn
But
to
also know
truly
how to
and
make
because to
man
confidently
understand
visualize
it, you need to
being
talk
a
about
winner
penguins.
as if the game itself
This is the
is
magic
merely a
same way,
formality
thinking
on
or
the way
saying
to
things
physically
like,
success.
appealing.
don't fall off that tree, or
You'll
don't
increase
screw
your
up the
ability
test.
Physical
to
features
rebound
can have an
positively
unintended
are
negative
important.
effect.
instantly
Though the
from
more
Because to
mistakes
important they are
understand
to
what
a man,
happens,
breaks
the more
and
satisfactory
rational
it
about
will turn out to be.
attempted psych-outs
It's
with
much more
disturbation
powerful and
from
effective
others.
to say,
Blended
keep a
with making a
strong
man
grip
feel
on that
good about
branch
himself.
your own
and do
ultimate
your best to be
instant
calm and
motivator.
focused in the test.
The
Okay,
old
so
Zen
maybe
archers
you might
of
consider
Japan
where you can offer
didn't
people
think in terms
targeted
of hitting
specific
But the
feedback
most
missing their
important
what you
target
prefer to
is
happen,
what they
They
do.
actually
and not what
got
you
If you
themselves
show a
in
great
state
deal of
of
interest
mind
in
and
his work
body,
and
because
pursuit,
we
where they
aren't just
felt
talking about
use
as if they
opportunity to
became
admire
one
what
with
he
the
does.
target.
talking about
Show
how
that
you
you
are much
appreciate
more
who
of
he
a
is,
communicator
while at the same
There was
time
no
demonstrating
separation.
that you
Best
have
in
the
yourself.
strength
So no
of
chance of
character to
missing.
express your own opinions.
So if you
can
haven't
something
yet
miss?
closed
Attracting
your eyes,
mistakes.
you can do so
And you can
now.
do these things
A winner
no matter
take a
what you
nice
is a
look
winner
like.
over all. Even if they
As
seem
much
to
as
occasionally
slowly
lose some
attracted
contest,
confident men,
great overall
men
winners
also like
bounce
women
back
who
in
are
the
fun,
future, no matter what the
enthusiastic,
setback.
humorous
conscious
and
mind
confident.
begins
You
to
can
drift.
become the
Why?
winning moment, and every
Because
second
when
is
you're
merely a
confident,
lead
will
up
be
to
you
that
send out
winning
signals
moment.
with the implicit message,
Focus now
I'm sure
and
I
feel
have
that
something
winning
worth
moment,
happening,
and you can
and you
feel
are
that
lucky
winning
to know me,
moment
because
even
that
before you
body
begin to play.
knows how
Men
to
don't like to be told what to do generally,
the winning
or
moment
to feel totally dominated or controlled.
When you know you're
do
holding
like
the
the woman
trump
who
card,
shows she has her
it's
own
an
mind,
amazing feeling.
at the same time as
You have a
being able
very
to
strong
appreciate
sense
him.
of inevitable
And that
success.
conscious
Now the next
mind
point
knows
is
As if
very
you had a
important.
happy secret. Director,
My
if
name
I
is
were
Roger
you,
Elliott of Uncommon Knowledge, and
To
I'll
get
be
the
guiding
best
you
from
through
this
this
download
relaxing
session,
experience
please now
designed
make
to
sure you're
constructively
seated in a
reshape your
comfortable
attitudes
chair
to your
or
life
lying down
progress
somewhere
and
comfortable.
achievement. You'll need to be
Before
somewhere
you
that you
begin
won't
to
be
relax
interrupted.
very deeply to the sounds
Somewhere
of my voice,
comfortable, like an armchair,
I'm just going to say a
or
few
maybe
words
lying on a
about
bed,
making big decisions.
as you begin in a few moments to
Having
relax
big
deeply to the
decisions to
sound of
make
my
can
voice.
cause worry and anxiety.
Before you
And this is
experience
especially
deep,
the case
refreshing
with
relaxation
decision,
and rest,
as is often
just
the
a
case,
few words about
involves
fear
the
of
emotions
success.
of others.
You know, some
It is
people
true to say
feel afraid
that
to try.
often, when people have big
Some
decisions
feel
to make,
as if they somehow
they've
don't
actually
deserve the
already
success they
really
have,
made that decision at some
and yet
level.
others feel that if they become
they're
more
just not sure
successful,
whether
they're
they
somehow
can carry it
frauds,
through,
and they
and
shouldn't
then
really
deal
be
with
where
all
they
the
are.
emotional fallout
That at any
that
moment
may
they
follow.
can be discovered as a failure disguised as a
So often in
success.
life, things really aren't black
And we
or
really
white,
need to look at
all
these
or
words,
nothing,
failure
right
and
or
success.
And we
People
want
so
you to see
often
anything
talk
in terms of a
absolutes.
good decision,
But of course
rather
no
than
one
the
can
right
be a total
decision.
failure, just as
Sometimes
no one
something
can
new
ever
doesn't
be
feel
a total
right,
success.
simply because it's new.
These are
and
relative
therefore unfamiliar.
terms. If
What you've
something
become
doesn't go
used
the
to,
way that you
no
would have
matter what
liked,
it's like,
it doesn't
will
mean you're a
always come
failure.
to feel
It just
right,
means that things
simply
didn't
because
go the
it
way
is
you
so
would have
familiar.
liked.
But in the greater
It's
scheme of your
inaccurate
life,
to set
it may not
absolute
be
store
right
by
at
what
all.
we do and then link it to what we
People
think we
often
are.
expect that aha moment,
However,
absolute
maybe
certainty
you feel that
to
something
tell them
inside
they've
you has
reached
been
the
holding
right
you back.
decision. And it may
Maybe
feel
you've been
difficult
sabotaging success,
when we're still
so
feeling
that any
uncertain.
time something got close to getting off the ground or
If we wait
close to
around
being
for that
completed,
absolute sense of
you
certainty,
come up with some excuse
as if the right
as to
decision
why it
is
wasn't
going to
really
come
worth
through the
doing
mail in
after
the form
all,
of a
or
certificate,
perhaps do something to mess things
then
up.
we may end up not acting at all.
The reasons for that
And
can be many.
sometimes something
Maybe
just
you've
hasn't
been
worked out
conditioned
for
when you were younger,
even though you
that
feel
you
you've
never
tried
amount to
everything
anything,
to make it worse.
or that nothing you ever tried would succeed.
Now this doesn't mean that you
or perhaps
failed,
that you wouldn't amount to much.
because there are always other outside factors.
Well, I'm here to tell you
Or
that
maybe
you can
the
relax
situation
with
is
bringing
just no
success
longer
into your
right in
life.
some way.
And because your
feeling of
success will
paralysis
always be
gives way to
relative,
tremendous
and you can be pleased with
when
your
at last
results
you make your
without
decision,
it seeming like
because
such a
you
huge
think,
deal.
and importantly you feel,
If someone
that
could be
it is a
president of the
good
entire
decision.
world, that even that would seem insignificant
Now you know if
in
you're
the
lost in the
context of the
wilderness
universe.
and you come to a fork in the road,
So you can really
then you
begin
have
to
to make
relax
a
with
decision.
success.
You need to make a
You
decision.
think
in
about
that
where you would like your
circumstance.
success to be,
You
and you
can
can
use
notice
logic,
that your success,
and you
however
can
it
use
manifests,
intuition.
is not going to be just about
But you
you.
won't know you've made a good choice.
Other people will be part of it. It's
You
more
may
likely
have to
to be at the
continue
front
for
of a
many
huge
miles
wave,
before
and many
you
people will be
realise
benefited
it
in
really
one way
was a
or
good
another.
decision.
It's
not just that you can
And
afford
don't
to be
assume that
successful in your
making any
endeavours
particular
for your own
decision
sake,
means you failed in
also
some
for the
way.
benefit of those
Professor
around you.
Jeff
A person who
Lees,
went
a
for a
leading
nice
expert
long
in
walk
body
in the
language at
countryside
Manchester
Okay.
and made a
University,
detour could
insisted
find
What I'd like
themselves
to do
learning
bloggers
much and
are
seeing
just
many
settle down
beautiful
and
analysing
things
body language
arrange
before
yourself
they
properly.
realised that in fact the
And you can
detour was
close your
taking them
eyes
away
and
from
just
their
begin
ultimate
They are looking
destination.
to
for
allow your
people
body to
who,
relax.
in their words,
Yet it was still a worthwhile wrong
who will
turn
go along with
and
their
has
Suppose
demands.
enhanced
every
their
one of
life.
us relaxes in our own way.
Your body language
now,
is to
like
signal
their arms
personal
to
I'd
relax
like you just to
even
close
if
those
you are not
eyes
physically strong.
as you begin to relax
Some people
very
find it's
deeply.
easiest
So being a
if you just
victim
allow their
is as
feet
much
to
about
relax.
your
And with
attitude
each
as the
word,
attitude of
the
those
muscles
who
you
of
can
the
victimize
notice
you.
just how
This does not
easy
mean that
it
it's
can
your
be
fault
to
if
really
someone tries
relax.
to
Muscles
victimize
around
you.
the eyes just
But it
become
does
And
mean
with
that
each
you can
breath
do
in
something to
and
influence the
and out,
situation.
you can really breathe
And you can
It's
just
natural to
those
feel
calm,
nervous when faced with
relaxing
intimidation,
feelings.
and this may make you talk very fast
And you can
or hurry your
choose
movements.
to listen to my words.
Such nervous
Or
behaviour
maybe you can
conveys
just
a
listen
message of weakness.
to the
But
relaxation
fortunately, you can
of
take
the
control of
space
it
You can just
simply by
enjoy
slowing down.
relaxation, drifting up
and
Talk
just
slowly
notice
right now.
and move
how a
slowly.
wave of
After all,
warmth
you to
you're not a
relax
moving
and
target.
pass
deeper throughout
down your
Relax
whole body,
and slow down, even if you feel
relaxing
intimidated.
every muscle and
and those
cell.
toes can relax.
Your
a little
attitudes
better.
emanate from you and
All the
communicate to the
muscles
subconscious
starting
minds
from
of
your
those
forehead
around you.
deeper.
And
It's
passing
amazing how
down
many bully
across
victims we've
those
helped
eyes.
change their attitudes, and then
A
they've reported
wonderful
that people
way
who used to
of
victimize them no
relaxation.
longer do so.
Really going to
They
They
relax
just seem to
and
sense
relax
something
your
different,
advancement.
like a warm
some line that they can't cross anymore.
a few moments, perhaps.
And I recall
So
the time
now,
I helped a
You
motivated
can just
child.
close those eyes
And as I
this
count
young
Ensure your
man
body's
just
in a
took what he
comfortable
came.
position.
you can
He was
just
the best.
anticipate
And I'd like to
how
invite you
this
to
Because he
wave
was so
pay
gifted
attention
will
to
and
these
pass down
words.
across your body,
He
Here
had a winning
and now,
combination.
relaxing you
both
even
a
more
conscious
He
deeply.
would
level
find that when competing in a
and an
race,
unconscious
10.
level.
he would find himself
And
out
9.
there in front
And one of the
all the other
wonderful things that
competitors.
Passing
happens
across
when
those
you
shoulders
go into
And
a
down
deeply
over that
relaxed
chest.
hypnotic trance.
and
It gives you
8,
space
He would try to imagine what
And
the other
10,
competitors were
7.
doing behind him.
to instinctively
Flowing down
learn
those
a whole
muscles.
new
You would
way
worry
of
those
being in
arms.
the world.
and across those hands, and right out
And whether
Started
you
to focus
consciously
those
realise
things
it or
behind
not,
instead of what was in front.
you are
that,
profoundly skilled at
and
instinctive
six.
learning.
Started to feel not right
and
somehow, being in
5.
front of
As
everyone.
a child, you learnt how to
Relaxing
speak,
those stomach muscles.
how to listen,
Together we taught him to learn to
passing down
how to
relax with
put
his
one
talent
foot in
across
front of
that
the other.
pelvis.
and to be the best he could possibly be.
And
You learned
4.
how to play
Which,
games,
after all, is much more natural.
how to connect
And
with
3.
and understand other people.
And
Relaxing
deep
those
within,
thighs.
comfortably peaceful.
And leaving
not
You
every
learned to
muscle
enjoy
and
some
joint
I told this young
relax
child
and
that
going
he
to
was
the
never
shop
totally
or
in front,
playing with toys,
because time was
2.
always in front.
and to
he
fear
could
other things,
always
And
chase
1.
time.
monsters in the closet.
Passing that relaxing,
And over time, as you
refreshing
grew up to be an
glow
adult,
Mind
down across
practiced
those legs.
the
over
childhood
and over,
things you
and
enjoyed,
right
the
through
things
those
you
naturally
feared
with his
got left
talent.
behind.
and out to the
you
very
evolved.
And
tips
now it feels
of those
totally
toes.
natural to win
So
and
that all
succeed.
those old toys and monsters seem to be
You
such a
can go as
long,
high
long
as the
time ago.
heavens and still keep your feet on the ground.
Way back then.
And powerful,
That's good.
calming.
And all these
And
learnings
I'd just like you now to imagine a
occurred
doorway.
unconsciously.
And people
in front of
can
you.
believe lies and half-truths about
And
your
beyond
conscious
this
mind.
door
Had
is a
nothing
wonderful,
whatsoever
safe,
to do with them.
relaxing
you
place.
who has the final say in who you are
And here
and what
and
you
now,
are
a
about
place that is very
life.
special
your
to you.
conscious mind is welcome.
and what
A
you are going
place
to do.
where you can
to
feel
drift.
safe,
By thinking
happy,
Follow your
about
own
the
style.
contented,
in and out
and
and
rested.
away.
Good
Just travel
advice.
forward by looking
It
back.
may
Because all
be
your
somewhere
success
that
is
you've been
relative
before,
to its
where
own
you are
ability.
going.
And you
or
can
somewhere
feel
drift
you've
extremely
seen,
pleased with
and
what you
float.
achieve.
or just an imaginary
And you can
place.
feel
your
relaxed
unconscious
with
mind
whatever level of
takes
success
And when
you
you've got
achieve.
a real
responsibility.
sense of
Because
what that
success
place is
just a
like,
For
byproduct.
ensuring that you
Doing
I'd
things in a
just
certain
like
way.
you to step
honestly and
through that
completely
doorway and
Very
into
well to say.
your special place.
However, to define the word
Deep
success,
physical
And now,
relaxation,
you can
Just
take
think
some
now.
time
Deep,
to
deep
notice
the
what
wonderful
just
kind
what
of
it
rest
is
of doing
about
what
this
you want
place
to do would mean success.
that makes you
come when
feel
sink
so
into a
relaxed
hot bath,
and rested.
Could be more time,
The only real failure
more
is
money,
or when you get up in the morning
or
after
you
2
having more
weeks
of an
of
influence
vacation,
in life.
That's it.
yourself.
and
Whatever.
feel
And you can
so
notice
different.
dignity
the familiar
and
smells,
humanity. And just
like the
Any
scent of
old
flowers,
tensions melt away.
Just
or
think
the
about the
aroma
kind of life that would be
deep
successful
cooking
for you.
begin to
comfort
achieve
and
or
calm.
freshly cut grass.
Fall
Maybe
through
you can
into
And as you
feel
do
the
so,
wind
wonderful
blowing
kind
through your
of
hair,
rest
noticing
or the
how
warmth
of your life
of the
like
sun
that
on
can
your
come
hands
when
and
you
feet.
lie beneath
as you
the
relaxed
sky.
previews from the future.
And as you look around you,
The sun gently warms your body.
you can take in all the
as a
shapes and
soothing
colours
breeze passes over
and
the
textures that make this beautiful place so
skin. And
relaxing.
as your conscious mind becomes aware of the beginnings
And maybe
of that deep
take a nice,
comfort
relaxing stroll through this fantastic
washing
place,
over that body,
getting a real
And what
sense
you
of
can do is
movement,
just drift into
unconscious,
that time from the
noticing the
future
with
feel
that
of the
success
ground beneath your feet.
and experience
through
how
your
normal
history.
it feels.
And you can really
be
notice
successful
find
that way,
times
all
when
the
you had a
sounds
real
that
inner
surround
strength.
you
without any
and
unnecessary
make
excitement.
you
a
feel
result
so
or amazement.
calm and peaceful
Just feeling
Grounded
with
such
such rest,
determination.
and comfort.
being that successful.
All those
And
resources
from
And
that
as
time
you
in the
walk
future,
along,
you can
your
just think
unconscious
back
mind
You can
on all
notice
the
and
steps
value
how the
they took
shapes
to
and
actually
colours
achieve that
can
level of
change
success.
become
and
Any
intensify,
kind
human
of person
achievement
Because
and you
know
begin
now
to
that
emanate
success
relax
is a
even
byproduct
more
of
deeply,
reality.
because your body
wherever you're going
naturally
You can
knows
separate who
you
how
are
to relax this
Because
from the
never
deeply.
the
success
whole
that you
story
create.
letting
And
others
when you can
clearly
relax
know
like this, everything can become a lot
way
Looking
you
back
hold
over
clearer,
time at the
It
steps
could
that you
almost
took
be like a
to get
path
as if
the
all
way
the
you
that you
clutter
can see.
has been swept out of the
Somehow
way.
your mind's
what
eye
is an appropriate
Maybe
way
just
for
a fleeting
others to
glance.
behave
To
towards you,
maybe
really
a
start to enjoy future
deeper and
times
deeper
and
examination
what
of
is
the
more
steps that
free
you took.
and
inappropriate.
easy, which adds to real success.
And as your unconscious mind begins
So
to
you
find
can just
these
now
times,
really get
Change
these
is the one
resources,
certainty,
Success.
entitled
and you can embrace
Gently
conscious
revel
change.
to float
with
all
Because
the way
change
down,
made to
fun
means
yourself
life.
and fairness to self.
deep.
And as you
The
walk
people that
through
were
this
involved
special
and the benefits
place,
to them.
I would like you to notice a pathway.
And
just
this
ahead
is
of you.
beginning
Still and
to
rest
take that path.
body has become.
Perhaps you can feel the
A
ground
beautiful couple
beneath your feet as you journey
Steady
onwards.
rate
Just
of
get a
that breathing.
sense
And with
like
each
within the subconscious
step
creative
free
mind
comes
flowing
the
through
decision
time.
around
to
you.
move
Almost as if
forwards
that body
along
is
this
clothed
pathway,
in a
The
What it
things
feels
beginning
like
to work
this
in the right
pathway
walking
for life.
and moving
bathing
And as you
the legs,
travel
actually
along
beginning
this
to
pathway,
relax
the back,
as well as
you
enjoy
notice
success.
and
that it
light,
meanders
Stomach.
about,
Little by little,
as well as
but your
strong
feet
all parts
and
of
are
the
ready
falling through time.
to follow your decision.
deepest calm.
Really
Notice
noticing the
rather
future
than
experience of being
path
more
and
successful
sometimes
in a
success.
comfortable way.
We do not
And
know
in
because
whatever
where the
way
path
that
before us
conscious
leads,
mind becomes
Because
quiet.
just as with
quiet.
is
the
just
pattern
an
of our
idea
lives.
That's
in
it.
people's minds. And so is
And
for you
then
too.
all the way down.
So
You
this
don't have to think
is
about
really
whether
just
you
a
deserve this or that,
relaxed, deeper.
because whatever success you experience can just be a
Take what you
byproduct
tell
of the right
And
actions
with
at
each
the right
interesting
new
time,
step
story
you
and
take,
drive.
involving the right
your
people.
mind
About a
fun,
tiger
becomes
cub
creativity,
clearer.
flexibility,
whose mother
A
died
new
giving birth
realization
to
dawns that perhaps you have not
tiger
experienced for
cub
some time.
found himself growing up.
As your
You can
mind
read a flock
becomes
of sheep.
clearer,
Status, position in the
just like
world,
water
He learned to
that can
bleat
reflect
like
in
a
on a
sheep,
the great scheme of
situation
things,
where the
to
past,
nibble grass
giant
like a
present,
sheep.
swirling galaxies
or
containing
future.
billions of
He
stars
even
still
moved
turn.
and as you
and
continue
ran
your
in a
journey
flock,
along
like
the
a sheep.
pathway, you might notice
and
the
then
air
one
around
day,
A
you.
huge group of ants on the ground have their
Perhaps
the
leaders
flock was
you can
attacked
their
feel it
levels
on
of
your skin.
success and their queens.
And how
But to
wonderful
you,
this
they're
is
just
the
a
tiger
pile
was
of ants on the
astonished.
ground.
and how you can
And you can be
sometimes
so
a nearly
relaxed
grown
about
the
tiger
air
cub
with this relative
leaping away
overview.
like a sheep
and with each
and
breath
bleating desperately.
and step that you take, your
Just again,
mind
notice that
is
sense of
becoming
having
clearer
gained
still.
success in
The
your
tiger
life that helps
ignored the
you
rest
and
of the
others
flock.
around
dusting
you.
out the
The
cobwebs.
Sprang on the
being a
cub,
fly
Because
on the wall.
success
grabbing his
doesn't
And when
just
you
happen
come
in
to a
vacuum.
fork in the
And
path,
also get the sense of listening.
you can
Your
use this
success
clarity
Please don't
inevitably
kill me,
to
please.
make
Others
your
around
decision.
you.
And it's
And you can
like
Why
think
on
to
earth
make
should I
a
kill
good
you, Lord
right
Tiger?
now as you
decision.
relax
possible
deeper.
way.
You're a
To
tiger.
which
Dinner
path to
party
take.
conversation.
I'm just a poor sheep, bleated the cub.
Perhaps
And
it's a
change
baronial
You'll kill me
hall
and eat me.
is
or
the
a
heart of
restaurant
life.
or home you know well.
Don't be ridiculous,
Allows us
growled
to
the
grow.
tiger, getting angry now.
And
Between friends.
You are
although
a tiger.
at first
Days
it
was
may
like
not
days.
immediately seem
But of course
like
the
the
cub
right
didn't
decision,
believe a word of
very
that.
but
carefully.
every step you take,
So the tiger
First
you
dragged
come
the cub
closer
to the
to the
nearby pond.
realization
Success is